Welcome to our video on the secret to designing a home that looks custom built, even if it's not. Today, we'll explore how to create a cohesive vision that elevates your space, making it feel uniquely yours. From mimicking custom built-ins to prioritizing layout and flow, we'll share practical tips to enhance every room. Plus, we'll delve into the impact of signature lighting, curated decor, and the finishing touches that bring it all together. Whether you're renovating or decorating, these insights will help transform your home into a stunning, personalized retreat. 1. Develop a cohesive vision. Creating a home that feels custom-built starts with developing a cohesive vision. Imagine the overall feel and style you want your home to embody. Whether you lean towards a modern, minimalist aesthetic or a cozy, traditional vibe, consistency is key. Think of your home as a story, with each room being a chapter that contributes to the narrative. Use a mood board to gather colors, textures, and styles that speak to you. This visual plan will guide your design decisions, ensuring each element aligns with your vision. Remember, a cohesive vision is like a compass, steering your home design journey in the right direction. 2. Mimic custom built-ins. Custom built-ins can make any home feel like it was designed specifically for you. While actual custom features can be costly, you can mimic the effect with strategic furniture placement and smart storage solutions. Consider adding bookshelves that fit perfectly into a wall nook or creating a cozy window seat with storage underneath. These features can be crafted using ready-made materials but arranged in a way that appears bespoke. The goal is to blend functionality with design, giving the illusion of a custom touch without the hefty price tag. It's all about maximizing space while maintaining aesthetic appeal. 3. Prioritize layout and flow. The layout and flow of your home is crucial in creating that custom-built feel. Start by considering how you and your family move through the space. Open floor plans are popular for a reason. They promote a seamless transition between rooms. However, even if your home isn't naturally open, you can create a sense of flow with strategic furniture placement. Ensure that there is a logical progression from one room to another, avoiding any awkward transitions. Think of your home as a river, where each room is a smooth current that leads effortlessly to the next. This approach not only enhances functionality but also adds to the overall aesthetic harmony. 4. Invest in signature lighting and hardware. Lighting and hardware are often overlooked, yet they are vital in achieving a custom-built look. Unique lighting fixtures can serve as statement pieces, drawing the eye and adding character to a space. Consider investing in a striking chandelier for the dining room or modern pendant lights for the kitchen. Similarly, updated hardware on cabinets and doors can significantly impact the overall feel of a home. Opt for finishes that complement your vision and are cohesive throughout the house. These elements act as jewelry for your home, providing that extra touch of elegance and sophistication. 5. Curate thoughtful decor and art. Art and decor are the soul of any home, adding personality and warmth. To achieve a custom-built appearance, carefully curate pieces that resonate with your style and story. Choose art that speaks to you, whether it's a local artist's painting or a family heirloom. Mix textures and materials in your decor, like combining sleek metal with natural wood elements. Think of each piece as a brushstroke in the overall painting of your home. It's about creating a space that feels personal and curated, rather than a showroom replica. This thoughtful approach ensures your home is both beautiful and uniquely yours. 6. Attention to finishing touches. The finishing touches are what truly elevate a home to feel custom-built. These small details, though often overlooked, can make a significant impact. Consider crown molding, baseboards, and other architectural details that add depth and sophistication. Soft furnishings like curtains and rugs should echo the color palette and texture of your vision. Even the scent of your home can be a finishing touch. Choose fragrances that evoke the feeling you want your home to have. These elements, though subtle, are what transform a house into a home that feels designed just for you. It's all about the little things that pull the entire design together seamlessly.